Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Discord account step by step in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to open your web browser and come here on discord.com. Now over here, you just have to click on the option of login. Then you will be landed on the login page. Now here, click on the option of register. Now you need to provide your email address and then you need to simply select the name that you want to display. After that, you just have to also enter your username, then simply create a strong password for your account. Afterwards, you just have to simply select the option of your date of birth from the given list. So after doing this, you just have to click on the option of create account. Now as soon as you do this, you will be shown this type of captcha. So you need to fill out these details. So I'm just going to simply do it. So after the verification is completed successfully, you will be able to basically redirected inside your account, which can look something like this. Now over here, before start using Discord, you need to also verify your email. So on your email address, you are going to get the verification link from Discord. So you need to open that and verify your email address, and this way you will be able to create your account on Discord. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.